if any of these warning signs sound familiar to you. Let me know if it sounds familiar to you. Let me know in the comment section. Does your skin suddenly burn when you use even the mildest products that didn't used to bother your skin before? Does your skin turn red from just pouring water on your face? Do you see tiny blood vessels underneath your skin with your naked eyes? Does your skin feel paper thin when you touch your skin? Does it feel thin? And this is the biggest one that a lot of people I know are experiencing. There's a particular product that you're using, and the moment you stop using that product, your skin becomes even worse. Your skin stops healing itself. Your skin begins to struggle and starts giving you warning signs that it needs help. But the good news, you can actually recover from steroid